Welcome to the .NET MAUI Digital Gauge Control tutorial. The Syncfusion .NET MAUI Digital Gauge Control is a tool that displays alphanumeric and special characters in a sleek digital format. It is ideal for dashboards, real-time monitoring systems, and data visualization. In this video, I'll show you how to add the .NET MAUI Digital Gauge Control to a .NET MAUI application. I'll also demonstrate how to display character segments and types and customize the character size, spacing, and appearance of the digital gauge. Before you begin, ensure you have installed the latest version of Visual Studio 2022 with the required .NET MAUI workload. You should also have one of the .NET SDKs installed on your machine. After installing the necessary tools, launch Visual Studio 2022. And click Create a new project from the dashboard. From the list of project templates, select the .NET MAUI application and provide the project name and location. Next, create the project with the .NET 8.0 framework. Now, the default application is ready to use. Before moving forward, let's take a quick detour to set up the environment for the application. I select the Android emulators from this list to see the output. In the Pixel 5 emulator, I'll run the application to show you the default output. The application compiles the default code in a few seconds. Now, the application's home page is displayed. Next, let me show you how to incorporate the .NET MAUI Digital Gauge Control into this application. I need to install the Syncfusion MAUI Gauges NuGet package. So I open the NuGet Package Manager and switch to the Browse tab. I search for the Syncfusion MAUI Gauges package, select and install it in my project. After the package is installed, I need to register the handler for Syncfusion Core to map the cross-platform control API to the native View API. I open the MAUI program CS file and add the Syncfusion MAUI Core hosting namespace. Then, I register the handler by adding the Configure Syncfusion Core method. Registering a trial license key is necessary to use Syncfusion MAUI controls. So I open the appsaml CS file and add the register license method with the trial license key. To find out where to generate the key, please refer to the instructions link in the description below. Next, I navigate to the main page XAML. To initialize the control, I remove the default code from the content page section and import the Syncfusion MAUI Gauges namespace. Then, initialize the control. To display the content in the digital gauge, set a value to the text property. You can see that the given text is displayed in the digital gauge. To display characters with different segments, set the character type property to 8x8 dot matrix. By default, it is set to 7 segment. Before running the application, I modify the value in the text property. Note that the digital characters are displayed in dot matrix segment format. In addition to this type, it also supports 14 and 16 segment. To switch the display mode to showcase special characters, set the text property to the desired special characters. Looking here, the special characters are displayed. You can also display numeric and alphanumeric characters with these special characters in the digital gauge. To modify the size of the characters, specify values for the character height and character width properties. Before running the application, change the value in the text property and remove the character type property. You will notice that the size of the characters has been updated accordingly. Next, customize the space between characters by setting a value for the character spacing property. By default, it is set to 8. Now the space between the characters has been reduced. You can customize the character's visual style by applying a desired color to the character stroke property and adjusting the stroke width. Before running the application, remove the character spacing property. Observe that the style has been applied to the characters. Finally, you can customize the color and opacity of the disabled segments by setting the desired value to the disabled segment stroke and disabled segment alpha properties. Now you can see the stroke and opacity applied to the disabled segments. In this video, you learned how to add the Syncfusion.NET MAUI Digital Gauge control to a .NET MAUI application. I demonstrated how to display alphanumeric and special characters in a digital format with various segment types, as well as customized character size, spacing, and the appearance of the digital gauge. If you would like to see the working code of this example, you can download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also included a link to check if you qualify for our community license, which gives you a free license key for our entire .NET MAUI control suite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.